400% ROI and 500% ROI, guys. One of the items I can buy for $1 some change, and it's going to make me in profits over 4 something and some change. The other item I can buy for 4 something, and it's going to make me almost $24 in profit. Actually almost $25 in profits. Now, those ROIs are insane. I don't know if, like, I didn't really even do the math, but I know it's up there.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Alright guys, so I'm going to introduce a lot of you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to introduce some of you guys to a new way of selling on Amazon. I mean, some of you guys are already doing this. I don't really talk about this much, but for the people who are having trouble or cannot find certain items or don't have, you know, just good stores overall, guys, there's different ways to do this. I mean, an online arbitrage is one. This is what this is right here. It's a little bit more secretive because you don't want a swarm of people going to buy the same products. This is what happened when I gave away one site. Some of you guys got onto that. I gave away one site, and so many people went to the site. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Nah, I thought it would be cool to switch things up. I'm in my daughter's room. She's right here. She's chilling. She's playing, right? Hey, yeah, she said what's up. But look, y'all, check this out. What I just showed you was a box that I ordered some items to send into Amazon that I'm going to make crazy profits for. I'm going to make 200% ROI on every item in that box. And there was about 10 items in that box. And yeah, guys, so that being said, I just want to jump into why am I telling you this? Why am I showing you that? Oh, obviously, guys, you know why, because you probably read the title. But anyways, for those of you that are having trouble in your area, right? For those of you that are going store to 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 store, yeah, guys, if you're having trouble in your area, this is the option for you, all right? It's not end all be all. This is a good opportunity, guys. And for those of you that don't know what this is, because I know a lot of you do know what this is. I know a lot of my fam is already hip. Y'all know how to maneuver through the Amazon games that they be trying to play when you can't find no products and they be trying to restrict stuff, you know what I mean? But this is called online arbitrage, guys. It's very simple to do. All you got to do is search the web, right? Find profitable products online, mail them to yourself, and then mail them back into Amazon. It's that simple. And with the Amazon app, what's so cool about the app actually is that you can actually scan products from your house. Like, so Amazon has like this picture technology on the app where you can almost scan almost anything and it'll pop up if it's a good clear picture of it. Now, it doesn't work all the time, but it will work. I don't know how, I was going to say a percentage, but I don't want to say something and you guys be like, Lavar, you lied, you said 80% of the time it's going to work. Well, listen, I don't know, but I know it does work for some items. So just scan it, and if you can't, and if when you do scan it, it doesn't pop up, just type the item into the search field. That's all. Type the title of the item into the app and it will pop up and you'll see if you can make profits. Now, there's certain ways I do this, guys. What I like to do is I like to go to the websites and go by filters, right? So when I do a filter, the filters I like to look for are the percentages. So I would tell the website to show me, hey, everything in home and kitchen under 50% or on sale for 50% or less, or 75% off, blah, blah, blah. And I like to look at filters like that. That's the way I look. Now, what I did today was I found 2 websites, another 2 that aren't really being touched. I'm gonna post the links to actual products and websites that I find whenever I find them in the private Facebook community, guys. It's okay, I haven't created it yet, so calm down. It hasn't been created yet, but I'm going to create it. But until then, I will be giving these websites away to this loyal family, the ones that hit the bell, the ones that are subscribed, the ones that leave comments below and follow me on Instagram. I will be giving you guys links and websites of products I find. Now, I'm not going to give it to hundreds of people. I'm going to only give it to like 50 to 100 people at a time for certain websites and certain products. Therefore, everybody will have different things and it just doesn't get saturated. Now, when I give you guys these products and websites, guys, listen, look, do not lower the price. The buy box keep it exactly what it is. For all of you newbies out there that don't understand the way Amazon really works, just do not change the buy box price unless you absolutely have to, okay? Unless you absolutely have to. But in most cases you won't. There's times to do that, and I'll talk about when you should do that in another video. But for now, just understand that the links that I share, you guys don't need to drop the buy box price, guys. Therefore, all of us will make those crazy profits. The moment you start dropping the price, well, then somebody else is going to drop it, then somebody else is going to drop it, then our profits are going to diminish. So don't do that, all right? For anything that I share, what you find on your own, that's on you. My camera died, so I had to switch to my phone, family. But yeah, now back to what I was saying. Wait, what was I saying? Hold on. Oh yeah, if I send you links, guys, do not drop the price. Oh my gosh, don't drop the price. If I send you a link, to a product, do not drop it, okay? Because here is why. You don't want to start having a race to the bottom in profits. We're all here to make the most money we can, right? So don't drop the product price. Don't do it, all right? Because for those of you newbies that don't understand how Amazon works, it'll just rotate. Mine will sell, then yours will sell, then somebody else will sell, then Joe Bo will sell, then Boo Boo will sell, then Who Cool will sell. So it'll just rotate, okay? So you don't need to drop the price, guys. So just leave it as is, because the moment I start seeing people dropping the price on the products that I share, I'm not sharing any anymore, because I'm here to make the biggest ROIs, and I'm going to share that with you guys. I'm just going to share it with my fam. So if y'all start dropping the price, I'm out of it. Goodness, that's right. You heard my daughter, don't drop the price. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of online arbitrage. Let's start with the cons, because, yeah, let's just start with the cons. That's a good way to start. Let's just get the bad out the way. So here are the cons, family. Check this out. The cons are, it can be extremely saturated, super saturated. So many people can be on the same item selling the exact same thing and then dropping the prices, therefore decreasing your profits and diminishing your profits. So it can be saturated, though. That's honestly the biggest con. Another small little con is that you have to wait for the product to get to your house. So if you order it, you have to wait, and in that time of waiting, anything can happen with that listing, right? So it can drop or it can even go higher. You never know. But in that time of waiting, you have to wait. So that's another con. But let's get into the pros. Let's get into the daggone pros. If you find one website, forget the website, one product on a website. You find one product on a website that is giving you, let's say, 200% ROI, 100% ROI, any type of ROI, because it's going to be brand spanking new. Usually, if you get a messed up product, a faulty product, you can send it back and get another one, right? For almost every company if it's faulty. Now this is amazing, guys, because not only are you going to be getting brand new products, if you find one profitable product, you can just keep reordering and reordering and reordering and keep making profits on the same product. So you can be secretive. Like today I found two products, one making me 500% ROI, another one making me 400% ROI, and I can buy them for dirt cheap. 400% ROI and 500% ROI, guys. One of the items I can buy for $1 some change, and it's going to make me in profits over 4 something and some change. The other item I can buy for 4 something, and it's going to make me almost $24 in profit. Actually almost $25 in profits. Now, those ROIs are insane. I don't know if, I didn't really even do the math, but I know it's up there. It's way higher than 200% ROI. So I just really have to keep buying those over and over and over and over and send them in. And then literally I can make money forever off of just those 2 products. That's how simple it is, because there's not even that many there's only like 2 or 3 other sellers on that. But I'm not even going to talk about that product. It's crazy ROIs, and I found them, and they're online. Another thing that is so amazing about online arbitrage is that you can do it from the comfort of your home, guys. You can do it from your house. You can be sitting on the toilet with your laptop or your phone, because I know everybody sits on the toilet with their phone. Don't lie, I know you do, because everybody does it. And you could be doing some online arbitrage while on the toilet on your phone, right? So it's amazing, guys. You can find some products, and then like I said, once you find one, that's really all you need, and you can just keep ordering a lot of those. First you order a small amount to test, and once they sell fast and you're like, oh snap, you just order more and more and more and more and more. And that's just it, guys. I mean, pros and cons right there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified, to be one of the first people. My daughter's crying, so I have to go, guys. I have to go. You hear her? Okay, baby, hold on. Tell them what's up. Yeah, so I gotta go, guys. She needs my attention. It's peace and love. We out. Peace.